Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to design a certificate on Canva step by step. By the end of this tutorial, you'll learn how to customize, edit, and style your own certificate easily. So, let's begin. Script. First, open Canva and go to the home page. Here, look for the option called Certificate. Click on the Certificate option to see all the available templates. Now, choose any design you like and click on Customize Template. The certificate will now open in the editor. If you want to edit the text, you can do that easily. For example, I'm changing the name and adding my own name. You can also change or edit any other part of the certificate. If you want to change the color of the entire certificate, click on the certificate background, then click on the color option at the top and select any color you like. Now, if you want to change the color of a shape, just click on that shape, then click on the color option and choose your color. You'll see. The shape color has been changed successfully. If you want to change the year, for example, I'm changing it to 2025, and now it's updated. And if you want to edit anything else, like fonts, text size, or graphics, you can do that too from the top toolbar. It's time to download it. Click on the Share button at the top right. Then click on Download. Now again, click on Download, and that's it. You've learned how to design and customize a certificate on Canva. If this video helped you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more Canva tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.